Right, clean this bad boy off. Sprayed it down, ACF 50. Got the road gunk off. Today we are going freaking go-karting. Let's have it. Bosch trickle charger has been working a treat while I've not been using it. Right, usual routine. Go meet Sexy Steve and Ricardo, and yeah, let's do it. Ooh, it is a glorious day. This is madness. Ooh. Steve, we're following you. Ricardo? Man, this weather, it's madness. Yeah, we're all here. Luckily no camera to catch us. Yeah, I think oh, watch that guy swing out on you. Yeah. Oh, is that what you sent? Is that a VFR? Oh, I didn't realise. I thought it was a Honda. Ah, made it. Oh, okay. It should be right on the river, shouldn't it? Exactly, it is literally Thames Barrier, isn't it? Yeah, exactly. Here we are. Number 3. I'm yeah. Ricardo 3. I'm number 9. Oh. Some traffic. Oh shit. What's happened? Oh. Clear these guys, innit? Is that you behind me, Steve? Oh, fucking hell. I've got traffic, man. I'm being very respectful. I'm giving these guys a lot of space. You spun, Steve. Spin, 2 of them. Just got a cheeky undertake on a yellow flag. I don't know where you guys are. Oh shit. Who's the guy you said is going really fast? I hope you guys are aware that I've lapped everyone and I've caught up with you guys. Go. Okay, so who are we coming after? The red guy. Block him if you get in front of him. Oh, red. Get in front of him, Steve. Get in front of him. Get in front of him, Steve. So we want to block number 4, yeah? Steve? We want to block number 4 to your left, yeah? Oh, who's the kid that's cheating? Go, Steve. You see that undertake? You see that moves? Tell me if you want me to block someone. Tell me what side you're coming. Tell me what side you're coming on and I'll block them. Who's behind me? Who's behind me? Who's behind me? Okay, cool. I'll give you space. I'll give you space. Oh shit. Are you beside me? I'll give you space. Oh shit, yellow. We've got a whole gaggle of idiots in front of us coming up. Oh, I'm doing a bit of drifting. I'm going sideways. Hey, you know, I may be the old man, but don't doubt my speed. Man, I'm fucking lightning. This is my retirement session. This is my slow session, I think. Oh shit, what number am I again? Number 9. What number? Where does it say you're... Oh no, I'm changed. I'm number 14. Yeah, number 14. 14. Okay, 14. Let's do this. Oh. Right. Gotta take this guy on the inside. Oh, spin. I'm drifting. This guy's going slow. Slowing me down. I'm being respectful. I'm giving these people some space. I'm giving loads of space outside. I might have got a cheeky outside overtake under yellow. Green. Alright then, mustard. Give it the beans, give it the beans. Right, my job now is to catch up with you guys, Steve, because you had a... Oh, bastard! Oh man. I know, for the first time I actually... That was my first spin. Oh, yellow. Who's this? Oh, it's not you guys. 2 people. Inside, yes, ah, you fucker. Can't wait to watch that back. Oh my god. Oh, yeah. There you go. So I got 1.5 flying laps. Green light, green light, green light, green light. I'm hunting, I'm hunting. I'm gonna get these suckers. I've got a gaggle, I've got a gaggle. Spin. Guy just spun and I saved him by going up the outside of him. Fucking hell. Fucking hell. Oh, nearly spun, nearly spun. Held it together. Guy in front of me drifting all over the gaff. Spun. Oh god. Okay. See me that overtake Steve? Oh, I got a drift. Yep. I left you space there. Oh yeah, it's true. I can see you. Yeah, we can see each other's helmets. Oh, Steve, man, you went wide there. Actually, I think you had a good angle. That's a good point. I'd probably cover it too close to the inside. Oh. Oh god, we got traffic. Crash. What's this guy? Oh, bloody hell. Oh, bloody hell. What's this? Oh, yellow. And a guy spins, number 11. Oh, God. Hey! Fucking hell! Fucking wanker! Number 11 is a cunt. Number 11 is a cunt, and if I see him, I'm gonna fucking punch him. He literally just, I don't care if he's a kid. He literally just dived into me. I'm talking about full on into the side of me. Third. Proud of that. Third fastest, given all the traffic. Right, all in all, very good day. This the sun is still shining. Ricardo is, you've got to get up on the flyover. Okay, so I'm going left and just going straight on up. Cool. Take it easy, yeah? Trust you guys later.